So today we are going to take this part of a beautiful golden pothos with variegated leaves, and my mom has already cut this from her large golden pothos, and as you can see, it has grown so much in this cup. Look at all of these roots. Look at all of these roots. So much, but I'm going to propagate it further. I found these test tubes just underneath the sink. You see, just simple test tubes. And what I'm going to do is propagate each one of the cuttings into this test tube. What I've learned is when you put your cuttings in such a small controlled environment, it's easier to A, keep their water clean and keep pests from laying eggs and things like that inside of it, and B, it will fill the container with its roots faster, and when it feels a bit root bound, then it will start sending the energy into the top of the plant and producing more leaves faster. So it's really good to propagate in a small container. So we're only going to do one leaf per cutting, and as you can see, these little brown knobs, this is where the roots grow out of the vine. So what we're going to do is cut right here so that we can get this beautiful leaf and this node. Okay, and cut right there. Oh, we got two of them. So as you can see, we have two of them here. You can see those. And we're just gonna cut right in the middle. So we can use both of these. All right, so now you can see we have two great cuttings. They both have a node and a leaf, and we're just going to stick it right here into the test tubes, and then we're going to add the water and the fertilizer. So I have this syringe that I actually randomly found just a few days ago, and I threw it aside and I was like, I'll use that for something. The moment is here. I'm going to take a little bit of this indoor fertilizer and maybe put a drop in here because it says 2 teaspoons per quart of water. We have like less than a cup of water to put in these. So we're just gonna take out a little bit and drop it into this cup of water I have here and then add it to each one of these cuttings. So I'm gonna shake it up really well. Make sure you get all the good stuff mixed up in there. And then let's go ahead and open it up. All right, I'm gonna take some out, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna put a drop in there, maybe 2 drops. So now I'm gonna stir this together. All right, so let's fill up the syringe with some water and just fill this up until the root is covered. Obviously, this takes a bit longer than putting under the faucet, but if you want to promote quick root growth, then you should put fertilized water in here. So this is 5 days after I planted these cuttings, and let's go ahead and get an update. Just grab one here and see what we have. Wow, I see some roots growing right there. Let's try another one. These are looking beautiful. No growth on this one yet. It's still brown. Let's check on this side. You see that growth right there on this one? Just a little bit, but it's growing already in 5 days. There's quite a bit of growth on this one. It's really